Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear students, today I have to talk about a specific topic that is how to reduce your mental stress during speaking English. Today I have to talk about this topic and I will try to elaborate all the points by whom you can improve your English and you can reduce your stress when you are going to deliver your talk in front of the audience, in front of the people, in front of the collection of the people, where the lot of the people are different types, different organized, different mentality, different cognitions are available, but you are going to deliver, but you are getting to fail there. Then after listening this all the 4-5 points, you will be able to deliver your talks. Then now listen this video and stay till last and subscribe my this channel to be updated in the future for. Today I will talk 5 types from where you can start your learning English in the effective way and improve your style, for what purpose you are learning here. Now point number 1, keeping the idea and keeping the summarization of the topic in your mind, that is necessary in the initial. Then catching and connecting the points will be useful for you. Keep in the mind topic how to reduce your mental stress during speaking in front of the audience. Now note down point number 1, keep your topic clear. It means when you are going to deliver a topic in front of the audience, then the content and topic and summarization, destination, your goal, your purpose should be clear overall. Suppose that you are going to deliver a topic on the basis of the topic of water conservation, then finding or conclusion of this topic should be cleared, and in the last you should not be ambiguity in front of the people that the people are not getting your point exactly, but they should be got your point exactly, then you are getting success, otherwise you are going to be fail. This is the point number 1. And point number 2, get organized. What is get organized? Get organized is this: when you are going to prepare your content, then be smart there. During preparing your content, sort out a few points to all those points whose you are going to deliver there, and prepare your all skills on a white paper, including 4-5 lines, and mention there that you will have to show or perform, play their audio video. These all things should be included and performed in front of the public. Already should be planned and organized. Then get organized is the main. By doing this, you will be perfect and able, confident that I will be able to perform there without getting failed. This is point number 2. And now listen, point number 3, and it is most important. By this, you can make your speaking, you can make your presentation, delivering point the effective way in front of the audience, people, and anywhere. What is that? Practice and practice some more. It means practice, practice, practice. When you are already prepared, you have confident that I am able, I can deliver my talk in the confident way, and I will handle the rising questions by the people, but you are not perfectly ready here for. Because when you are completely ready, then you have to try and present several times of your topic in front of the public. There the audience and public will not be your real audience like that where you are going to present, but all these public and people will be your fake and organized, either we can say already pre-planned audience. And after presenting these all your topics, say to all those presented persons, please give me feedback and raise questions, ask questions. If different types of questions will be risen from them, and you will be able to answer. By this method, you will be able that like this situation, you will be handled there. There different types of questions will be risen, and you will be able to answer as already here it has been happened. Because during the knowledge of people, you will be able, but not at all. When you are going to do this, then you have to be able for those, and all these practice in the initial point, it all will be help for you for the at your last point. Now this is the point number 3. Now note down point number 4. Visualize your success. What is this? Visualize means find out your conclusion. Suppose you have the given time of 15 minutes, and after completing 15 minutes there is no any summary. Then you are getting failed there to approach in front of near to the public, in the mind of the public there is no conclusion, and the 15 minutes given to you, that is useless. Then time of given to you should not be useless, but it should be utilized, and the summarization, the fruitful sentences should be delivered, and the message should be delivered in the mind of the audience. Then if you are doing this, then your performance will be better. For doing this, you will have, before going to the stage and starting your presentation, you will have to be cool mind. How you can do this? Have a deep breath. Have a deep breath. By doing this, your cognition, your positive thinking will be developed, and by this way you will get a positive thinking that by this way you will be pushed up to go ahead and perform confidently. So have a deep breath, and in the initial, don't focus too much over your audience, but you have to focus on your content. Why I'm saying this? Because you have gone there for making understand to your audience, but you have not to focus to audience. Because when you will focus in the initial to the audience, your content will be removed or deleted from your mind. You will not be able to deliver your fruitful meaning to the audience. So try to content and try to summarize all your content to be meaningful in front of the people. By completing all these, when your audience will be able to understand your points, they will ask you questions related to delivered by you. Then by this way, they will be able that whatever I have delivered, all those were in the meaningful. So these 4 tips are very important. But in the last but not least, when you are not able to do this, then you have to be guided by how you can do this. Get supported. 5 number points note down. Get supported. How? Join a group. From where? Because practice is not directly come from anywhere. Some of the people will lead you, some of the people will guide you, some of the people will say you do like this. When you will do in under the guidance of some of the people expert, then you will be able to do this. I am saying here it's not easy to easily access it, because I practice too much, then I am able to perform and say something in front of you. But if you are ambiguity, you are not able to perform your ability in front of the people, then you have to be guided by some of the people. You can join any institute from where you can do this. Then for further, you can also join my institute from where you can develop your English communication, personality and hesitation, overcoming. All these facilities will be given to you by my institute. Then you can contact on my given number as you have seen already. This is the basic, and last point is that have some of the people who can guide you in the right direction. Now I'm going to conclude. If you are first, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. For that you can get in the future next videos whenever I will upload my video on this channel. Thank you.